Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can follow a playlist on Spotify. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're going to Spotify, let's just search here, and I don't know, I'm going to write, playlist, just morning plays, right? Or like even this one here, right? And how you can follow it is just click here, follow. And right now, all your following playlist, and you will find it in your library, the playlist that you follow. And that's pretty much it, how you do it. So this is how you can follow a playlist. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll really happy to help you. And yep, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.